free of cost. We'll never ever ask you any money for anything whatsoever. So yeah, that's very cool, right? Uh, let's start with the introduction. So before that, let me tell you, like we uh, release our core member selection form. So I hope most of you got it and a lot of you filled it. So thank you to all who filled it. We got around 180 plus applications, which was fantastic, right? And we interviewed a lot of really good people from that lot, and we selected our core members for this year. So if you did not get selected, fret not. We will be working towards you and will work to improve your abilities and give you opportunities, right? Also, we have some really cool things planned for people who are not core members. But anyhow, let's firstly introduce our core members specifically. So firstly, hello everyone. I'm Aitya Jha. I am the GDSC lead for this year, as I told you before. Apart from that, my main tech stack include machine learning and data science. So if you have any questions regarding that, you can feel free to reach out to me anytime. I also am a very big chess enthusiast and anime enthusiast. So if you want to talk about it, you can like reach out to me anytime. Thank you. Kshitij?
This is Kshitij Agarwal, and technical lead this year. I'm a digital product designer. I've been practicing UI UX designing from like past 2 years. And talking about my hobbies, I like to watch anime, read manga, sketching, and obviously that is something okay. Aditya has written. So yeah, that's about me, and hope to see you all. We really would like to know about you also. So you can also tell us about yourself in the chat also. So moving forward, yeah, let's go ahead.
Okay.
No voice.
Hi,
Wait. Is
am I audible?
audible?
Am I audible?
Okay.
Yes, everyone
Yes,
is.
yes, everyone
Okay.
is audible.
Go ahead. Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay. Hi everyone. I'm Prakhar and I'll be the senior web developer for the session 21-22. My main tech stack will include like anything related to web seriously, like React, Node, PHP, backend में कुछ भी ले लो. Yeah, that will be my main stack. This is all about me and I love music. Like anytime कोई भी आना है please बता दो. And also I love reading novels and books. You can contact me for that or suggest भी कर सकते हो. That's all about me. Yeah, thank you. Next, please.
Let's.
Yeah, Vidushi.
Hello everyone, I'm Vidushi Tyagi and I'm a junior web developer for GDSC Mate this year. My main stack is again following Prakhar. It's basically anything related to web development, React Native, Express, Node, anything like that. And other than that, I love to read, I love to watch TV series, anime. I love dogs, and I'm a musician. So yeah, that's pretty much about it.
Great. Forward, we have Arif. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, hi everyone. Yeah, senior Android developer for this year in GDSC. And talking about main tech stack, I love doing programming in Android, and yeah, also backend includes most of the stuffs. And talking about my hobbies, I love playing cricket, and I'm a great enthusiastic of cricket. And yeah, I also love to watch web series and other stuffs, and like memes and other stuff. So that's all from my side.
Great. Akash, we have next junior Android developer. So like Akash, I'm not like he cannot speak right now. So let me introduce him. So Akash will be our junior Android developer. He's an open source enthusiast and he's like practicing Android development for like past 1 or 2 years, I guess. And he loves music and yeah, Hindi music I'm a fan of. So that is something Bollywood. Yeah, next moving forward, we have
Saida.
Riha.
Hello everyone, I am Saida Riha Kausar. I prefer to be called as Riha. I will be the senior ML developer this year. You can reach out to me for doubts regarding ML. Apart from that, I'm a polyglot and I love to explore and learn different technologies. My hobbies are sketching and traveling, and I'll be looking forward with collaborating and working on projects with all of you.
Aman?
Great. Yeah. So,
So
Aman is
hello
there
everyone,
next.
I am Aman and I am Flutter developer for this year, for GTSC community. And apart from Flutter, these days I am learning data structures, and I am also planning to get into backend development with Java. Apart from this tech side of things, I really love music. So yes, that's about it.
Okay, great. Aman. Piyush?
Hello everyone, I am Piyush. I will be the cloud mentor for GDSC this year. My interests are into cloud computing and networking. I like mostly the deployment part of the applications. Other than that, I am into web development. I have done Django Stack and all. So you guys can connect with us on the Discord server. We'll be having a ton of events over there and a lot of discussion sessions. So other than that, I am into gaming and a little bit of blogging here and there. So, thank you.
Great. So, moving forward.
Yeah, hi everyone. I'm Garash, and I'll be helping you guys with the DevOps. And I have interest in DevOps, clouds, and Linux, so you can reach out to me for any of your doubts regarding that. And I also started writing a little bit, so yeah, that's all about me. Thank you.
Satyam?
Yeah. Hello everyone. I'm Satyam Mishra and I will be your graphic designer lead. And I like sketching, as you know, and music is my part. So that's it. And I'll also like to watch anime. Thank you.
Great, great.
Tushar?
Next, moving forward, we have Tushar.
Hello guys, I'm Tushar. I'm the visual editor for this session. I am a graphic designer, video editor, and a front-end web developer. I'm also working on data structures and algorithm, थोड़ा बहुत interviews and all के लिए. And non-technical side में I like to game. I like to and I also like to watch anime.
Like, we have anime fans in our team. That is something you can look forward to. Yeah. So
Hey
next we have
guys, I'm Charvi, and I'll be the outreach head this year, mostly into web development, and I like to draw. Thanks.
Great. Nidhi? Oh, I guess Nidhi could not join us. Yeah, so Nidhi is basically interested a lot in data science and machine learning. That is her main tech stack. She'll be joining us as the content writer, and she also really likes blogging and music. Shraddha?
Next we have Shraddha.
Hi everyone, I'm Shraddha and I'll be working as the content writer this year. And coming to the technical part, I am a bit into web development. I'm a beginner at web development and I love writing and a little bit of gaming. Thank you.
Cool. So now this was our
Let's
team
start.
for this year. Yeah, this was our team for this year. And these are some amazing folks and they are here to help you throughout the process and, help you out in anything you want. So they are very active in Discord and WhatsApp. So you can contact them there if you have any doubts regarding any of the fields or domain they have expertise in. Yeah, Shirish.
So let's go. I'll be telling about various things and what things will be covered. So before that, I'd like to share the Discord link. If any one of you is not part of Discord, please join there. All the updates and all the things will be there. We have shared the link tree, and you can go to that and their Discord and our social media links, so you can follow that. We'll be having some great news ahead. We'll be launching various programs. I will be launching various events also. So you can get update of everything on there. Okay. So yeah, let's start. So now that we have covered the basics, let's go with the main part. Let's discuss this year's schedule. So here is the overview of the upcoming sessions. There are some incredible things on the horizon. We have some incredible campaigns planned for you. Like the first one we have right now is Cloud campaign, which will be going this month. And then we'll be following with Android campaign, then Flutter campaign. And then there is an amazing event which is called Solution Challenge by Google. And Aditya, if you want to talk about that.
Yeah, so Solution Challenge is the yearly hackathon that all GDSCs all around the world conduct. So it's like a very big hackathon and it happened previous year as well. And it will be having this year as well. So stay connected with us and we will be telling you about it soon. It will happen at around Jan.
So it is a like pretty big, what I can say, hackathon, and there are like really cool prizes in there. So you can see forward to that. And afterwards, you will having one more cloud campaign, and then web campaign, and then at last ML campaign. So let me be clear, like we'll be launching 30 days cloud campaign soon, and we'll be we will let you know more about it in few days. So stay tuned about that. And apart from these campaigns, we have a number of other activities planned for you, including a lot of interaction sessions. We will cover a number of different topics from various technologies to writing programming essays, how to design resumes, and so on. We will cover it all, and we'll also have some fantastic speakers from Google, Microsoft, and various good companies also for these sessions, and you will learn a lot. So we have also plans for during Hacktoberfest. So we'll be, which will be like kicking off soon. So we'll be having some GitHub repos which you can contribute in and participate in the Hacktoberfest. So that's like the basic things what we'll be going through. And regarding that, we'll be having various workshops, we'll be having various sessions, we'll be having, what you can say, challenges, quizzes, everything. So please do like join the Discord and like follow us on other social media handles so that you can get a date of all these events. And now like what you can say, talking about what you can, okay, so now talking about the most important thing, like how to become a member and get access to all these resources and events.
Just 1 second, Kshitij. Apart from that, we also wanted to talk about a little bit about projects as well. So we'll be working on different open source projects. We'll be introducing you to open source. After that, our main idea this year is going to be to have the core team create a prototype or a minimum viable project in a sense, and then we will be releasing it into our GitHub organization, from where you can start pull requesting and contributing to those projects. So that way you can also how do I put it, participate in our contribute to our projects that we are creating. Yeah,
so now talking about the most important thing, how to become a member and get access to all these resources and events. So we'll be sharing a Google form within today, on Discord and other social media platforms. And before that, which will include every step to join GDSC Meet. Before that, Aditya will also show you how to just register at Google Developer Student Club Meet Club. So that is the one of the basic things. And after that, we'll be sharing a Google form within today on our social media and Discord and WhatsApp groups. So you can check that out, and that will consist of every detail also. So you can see that. Okay. So yeah, Aditya, go ahead.
Yeah.
So this is the way to join a community and get updates. Okay. So yeah.
Okay, so as you can see, firstly, you don't have to do this in incognito. I did it because I am already registered and all that stuff. But you need to firstly go to this specific website. We'll be sharing it to you in the chat section. Firstly, you go here. All right, gdsc.community.dev. Just 1 sec. Yeah. So firstly, you need to sign up or log in. Okay. After you can move here and you can click on chapters specifically, and then just 1 second. I don't know why my internet is so slow.
No issues.
Yeah.
Yeah. So going here to chapters and
all. Why is it taking so much time?
If there is any problem, I will okay, yeah, go ahead.
Okay, cool. So I guess because I'm sharing my screen, yeah. So you can see here you will you need to go to the chapters specific area. Then you can go here, and then you can go to Asia, and then you can just command find Maharaja, and
you can also search on the above. They have provided a search option also on the web, so there is also something that.
Yeah. So here there are two specific chapters. It is a bug. It will be fixed very soon. So you need to go in this one, the Delhi one, and you can go here, and then it will be opening soon. And then you can see all of our past events and our upcoming events, right? So fine. Firstly, I'm pretty sure you might have already logged in when you were doing the procedure. If you are not, no issues. You can just click to join us. and then you can sign in with your Google account and do all of that stuff, and then you will get regular updates about all of our events, everything that we are doing. You will get a mail generated by us to you. Okay.
Yeah.
So
One more thing, Aditya, just share this link. This link in the chat. That will be great. Then they don't have to
Yeah,
go
yeah.
anywhere.
Just
Just
one second.
share this link. So you can register on this link. Just save that link, and this will.
Okay, I will do it. I will do it. I will do it.
Okay. Aman will share it, and this is how you will get the updates about everything. Also, like I have shared the link tree. Just go to that, and you can join a Discord channel. And if you are not active on Discord, we have also provided a WhatsApp group on the Discord channel, so you can also join that. So it is according to your preference. And we'll be updating on our social platforms also, so you can also follow us there. Okay. So that is the thing. Okay. So now coming to like what I can say, some few questions or what are the requirements? Talking about the requirements. So first of all, let me be clear. There is no requirements to become a member of GDSC Mate, and people from different colleges can join a community, and any student irrespective of their branch, college, degree, they can join us. Even students from schools can also like participate in the events and all. So that is one thing. Okay. And also we have a really cool idea planned out. We are planning to have a badge system that will run on points. The details regarding the point system will be shared on our social platforms. So make sure to follow that. And so points can be earned by attending sessions, making projects in a workshops, or participating in quizzes, etc. We will be sharing these details later also. So every month, based on these points, the top folks in the leaderboard will get a chance to become a crew member, and they will get a chance to work directly with us on our projects, as well as get a chance to receive some cool facts. So make sure to fill that form when it is launched, and you will get what you can say, the chance to work on some really cool projects. We have started one of our projects, so looking forward for your increase. The form will be soon out on a Discord channel, on a WhatsApp channel, on and all other on social platforms. Okay, so we'll be sharing it within today. So that's about it. If you have any queries regarding the session, or like if you have any queries related to it, we wanted to keep it short and like we wanted to deliver as much as possible, like information.
Like we
So
wanted to take as many questions as we can.
Exactly. So do ask the questions if you have any regarding that. There is also Q&A, so you can ask there also. So I have started a Q&A tab there, so you can ask your questions in that also.
Apart
Like
from that, if anybody is wondering, this is Bevy Virtual. This is the specific platform for GDSC all over the world. So we will mostly be connecting our sessions and our workshops and everything through this. So the specific requirement is that you guys RSVP before the event for a smoother, a session, right?
And we will be also like sharing these videos. Not sure right now on our YouTube channel. So if like you miss something, you can see that there. Like if you, but like sometimes there is a technical glitch like today. So there can be some problems. So make sure if you can attend the sessions, that will be great. And also one thing that the sessions points and all will be rewarded when you attend the session in person. So that is one thing. So yeah, let's start with Q&A. If you have any questions, just go ahead regarding DSC, regarding GDSC, or regarding GDSC Mate, how to become a member, anything you can ask. So yeah, waiting for some questions.
If you're wondering where you want, you have to put the questions, it is in the Q&A tab.
Yeah, so I guess we have got the first question. Can we join GDSC with basic? Yeah, first of all, let me be clear. GDSC is for everyone. Okay, so if you are an expert or if you are a beginner or like if you don't know about coding at all, just join and we will provide you with resources and everything that can help you with growing forward and that can help you in grow, like in developing your skills and all. So please do join, and yeah, there is no such requirement that you
देखो
should know
सिंपल सी बात ये है कि हम चाहते हैं कि तुम बेसिक हो ताकि तुम ग्रो करो, राइट? हम नहीं चाहते कि तुम बिल्कुल टॉप टैंक हो, ऐसा कोई रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, ठीक है? We have some really cool stuff planned for you, and we will be like giving you a lot of chance to explore different technologies. So apart from that, Nikhil Pal ने question पूछा.
Okay. So next question, Nikhil, which is better hackathons or open source? Okay. This is something that is like controversial type. So I would say like both of them are really important. Open source is something that helps you to, what I can say, to explore this field and to help you to see these like how industrial projects are made. Okay. So this is one thing that you can do and you can learn from open source. Also, open source community are really amazing. You can learn everything from there. Like we have our open source mentors, and almost everyone here have have contributed in open source. So open source helps you in developing your skills, and whereas hackathons also are somewhat similar, but in that you have a time constraint. You have to develop a whole project from ideation to the end product. So that gives you an idea of how to work on a project. You have to face difficulties. And one more thing, hackathons are the best way to learn a technology. Like if you are thinking about, okay, I should start a web development something, just start with the basics, learn or some basics part, and you can start developing. On a hackathon, what you can do, suppose if you require a particular feature, then you will Google it. You will see, okay, how this particular feature is implemented. So you will learn accordingly. So I would say hackathons and open source are both important. You should participate in both as much as you can. And one more thing, open source can provide you opportunities also. My first two like internships, I can say, was provided through open source. So that is one thing I wanted to share.
Yeah,
If
so
anyone
first-
wants to share, views.
Yeah, okay. So firstly, Keshav and Siddhant, we actually already released a form a few days back, and we like waited for 10 days and gave enough time to, let everyone fill. If you were not like, you did not know about it back then, sorry, like we are not taking in any core members right now. If we are in the future, like we will be sharing a form pretty sure.
Yeah, for that I will want to share something. So if you become a member and if you regularly participate, and that's how you can become a crew member. And trust me, crew members are almost exactly same, what I can say, like a core member. And what they will do, if a person is really active, we will also want them to come and join our community. And so there can be opportunities in future, not right now, let me be clear, not right now, but yes, in future there can be opportunities. And look forward to crew member, because like there is exactly what I can say, similar things. One more thing, core member do not get any swags, crew members will. So yeah, that is one thing that is beneficial for crew members. For that we will be releasing the form on our social platforms around. So
और
next
बाकी
question.
यार हमने ये क्रू मेंबर वाला इसलिए करा था ना, क्योंकि we got a lot of messages regarding how to join core team after that. So like we want people who are enthusiastic and want to learn and want to grow. We will be taking them surely. Apart from that, we currently only have 16 members, including me. So like we also have room for some other like core team member. If we feel like we want to take in some more people, we'll be releasing forms regarding it.
Yeah, so like there will be opportunities. I will say there will be opportunities. So yeah, next thing is how long is the GDC session and does it happen everywhere? Yeah, first of all, I think we are at the end of this session. Secondly, if you're
अरे
talking
नहीं,
about
वो इस टाइम से नहीं कह रहा था, रुक जाओ.
Okay. So if you are talking about the GDSC session, it is like a year-long session and every year a new team is formed and like new vision is there. So for that, and yes, every year this happens. So for that, you can go to GDSC community platform and you can check out what are the things and how to become a GDSC member, how to become a GDSC lead, where are the forms, and everything will be shared. We will also share this on our Discord channels or all. So you can also
let me explain this point a little bit more. What happens is that every year, like the session starts from around July and ends at July, right? So every year there is a new lead and a new team and new sessions, right? So to apply, you need to either be a second year student, third year student, or a first year student, and you can apply. We will be like creating a session regarding how to get GDSC lead, like at the end of the year. Apart from that, is there any interview to become a member? No, those.
No. First of all, there is really important thing. हम नहीं चाहते कि कोई भी restrict करे हम जो भी member बनेगा उनको सब चीज provide होगी. And first of all, it is free of cost. Second, there is no restrictions. You can join anytime. Like अभी जो दिखाया था link join करा था, एक बार link दोबारा share कर दो, community link दोबारा share कर दो. सो उससे तुम ज्वाइन कर सकते हो एंड वी विल शेयर अ फॉर्म. तो वो फॉर्म भरने के बाद व्हाट विल हैपन इज लाइक हम एक लीडर फॉर्म का क्रिएट कर लेंगे डेटाबेस एंड फ्रॉम दैट द एक्टिव पीपल कैन लाइक इट्स कि तुम मेंबर तो बन सकते हो. क्रू मेंबर बनने के लिए इट्स समथिंग दैट यू हैव टू बी एक्टिव. सो क्रू मेंबर बनने के लिए अभी जो भी सारे डिटेल्स होंगे वी विल आल्सो लॉन्च देम ऑन अ प्लेटफॉर्म्स आल्सो. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. You will get information regarding that. And next question, is there interview? Yeah, there is no interview to be clear. You can
हम
join.
नहीं इंटरव्यू नहीं लेंगे मेंबर्स के लिए क्योंकि मेंबर्स का होल पर्पस है ना हम तुम लोग को टारगेट कर रहे हैं तो does not make any sense that we will take interview from you. We don't require
Yeah, we
anything
want as
from
many
you.
people exactly.
We don't require anything from you. Just let us help you. That's-
So yeah, dedication is something that we will want, like if you have. And any other benefit of points other than joining the team? Yeah, I said like you can join the team, you will get awesome swags. So we will have like our sponsors and they are community partners. So they will like to provide you with domains, swags, opportunities, and everything you can get from like being a crew member. And there are also other benefits. Obviously, we will share not right now. These will be shared afterwards. वरना कोई like join नहीं करेगा और सब कुछ आप बता दे तो फिर क्या फायदा है ना.
बाकी benefits other than joining the team उसके लिए like we will have sessions and hackathons and you know all of these things for you right guys, right? So you will get to explore a lot of technology and build a very cool portfolio. Apart from that, we will also have swags for a lot of our events. So that is something.
So yeah, इसके अलावा मतलब एक टेक्निकल इवेंट, टेक्निकल टीम्स, तुम क्या टेक्निकल कम्युनिटी से क्या चाह सकते हो, राइट? सो वी हैव एवरीथिंग एंड गूगल इज बैकिंग अप. सो रिसोर्सेज भी बहुत अच्छे प्रोवाइड होंगे एंड कैंपेन्स के रिगार्डिंग दीज रिसोर्सेज विल बी प्रोवाइड बाय गूगल एंड विल बी शेयरिंग देम. ओके, व्हाट्स द फाइनल गोल ऑफ जीडीएससी?
ये क्वेश्चन एक Q&A वाले में एक बार इन दोनों का आंसर कर लेते हैं ना. और ये ज्ञानेश का है. डू वी हैव एनी कोर टीम मेंबर मेंटर फॉर GCP? So we have
Piyush. So we have Piyush for like all the cloud and stuff. So yeah, Piyush, you can go ahead if you want to tell something or like.
Hi Ganesh, I'm actually the cloud mentor for this year for the GDSC Meet. So if you have any queries or anything, you can just DM me directly on Discord or not DM. Just we have a cloud section and DevOps section on our as well. Other than that, we will be conducting multiple sessions throughout the coming. I mean, there's an event also coming this month.
As we said, we are also coming up with like the 30 days of Google Cloud, like we did previously, right? So you can also join there and you can learn a lot about Google Cloud. Apart from Piyush, we also have some other people in the house who are really good with like who know about Google Cloud platform. So anyone who knows Google Cloud platform, please introduce us as well.
Goranch is there, like Goranch has been like
so like I'll be happy to help in cloud or DevOps or basically Linux, anything that can relate it to cloud.
So if one more thing, if you have any type of questions, just go to our Discord section. There are particular channels for that and you can ask there. If the question is like if there is not like a particular topic that you want to ask, so what you can do is general में जाओ, general में ask question पूछो. Doubts का section भी, doubts का channel भी है, वहाँ भी पूछ सकते हो. So Discord server तुम्हारे लिए जितने क्वेश्चन पूछने हैं पूछ लो. We have a mentor.
Exactly, हम throughout the day Discord पे एक्टिव रहते हैं. उसमें आपको कोई भी क्वेरी वगैरह हो आप कभी भी पूछ सकते हैं.
Exactly.
Even in night, so please feel free anytime.
So yeah.
Prakash, क्षितिज का आंसर कर दिया. वो देख Q&A में दिख रहा होगा.
हाँ, how much do we have to remember in web development to succeed in interviews? Okay. As there are so much to learn and remember in web development, and personally most of the time I take help from Google while coding. Yeah, Prakhar, go ahead. This one.
Prakhar, Vidushi, anyone? Open.
Last point, I take help from Google. Please correct that to Stack Overflow. I'll go for that. So okay, how much you should remember in web dev? So as such ऐसा कुछ limit नहीं है. जितना ज़्यादा कर लो उतना अच्छा. But all you at the end of the day, all you need is a project to showcase. Because project is the only thing that will matter for you, and हर चीज जो उसमें लिखे you should know कि क्या लिखा है आपने. तो as such syllabus कहीं पे भी mention नहीं होता. बस कभी कंपनीज लिख देती है स्पेसिफिक में कि we want this thing. तो वो एक बार देख लेना. आप मिनिमम 80% या 75% क्राइटेरिया फिल कर रहे हो. 100% कोई भी नहीं करता. तो ये मत सोचना 100% होगा तो ही मैं भरूंगा. नहीं, 75 है, बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत ज्यादा है, भर दो बस. That's all.
I would like to add कि Google specifically they ask for like web technologies like REST and all, तो वो भी कर लेना. एंड डेटाबेस इज ऑफ कोर्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो मतलब उस पे भी ध्यान देना, नॉट जस्ट लाइक अच्छा फ्रंट एंड कर लिया ठीक है, थोड़ा सा बैक एंड आता है, जस्ट लाइक ट्राई टू कंप्लीट पूरा फुल स्टैक में जाने की कोशिश करो.
Regarding Google, क्योंकि Google का नाम है, so I would like to share that Riha is also like a Google intern. So you can also ask like your questions towards. हाँ, ये मत पूछना कैसे हो सकता है Google में, ठीक है? तो ये चीज बहुत ज्यादा मतलब वो है, डायरेक्टली इसका कोई आंसर नहीं होता. बट या कोई क्वेश्चन हो हाउ टू प्रिपेयर एंड ऑल, सो यू कैन आस्क योर क्वेश्चंस इन अ डिस्कॉर्ड सर्वर फॉर दैट. ओके.